Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. This small video is about Ank Jyotish or Ank Kundli, or we also know it as Numero chart. So, what happens is that the numbers which constitute the date of birth, if they are put in a particular 3 by 3 grid, these numbers show a special mutual relationship which can help indicate that how the destiny of the person will unfold, what is the objective of his life, which profession is best for him. So there is something called as Mulang, which is the first digit of your date of birth, and there's something called as Bhagyang, which is also the talent number, which is the total of your birth. And this is very, very helpful when it comes to numero chart or Ank Jyotish, Ank Vidya, or Ank Kundli. So what I've done is, for the benefit of the viewers, I have just made a particular grid chart which clearly shows about the numbers. So as you see, the 319, they constitute your spiritual plane, and the numbers 6, 7 and 5, they constitute your um, emotional plane, and the last numbers, that is, these are the numbers in the last row which constitute your physical plane. Now to make this a more interesting video, I have taken the example of Salman Khan's date of birth, which is 27/12/1965, and you will find that his Mulang, that is 2 and 7, constitutes to 9, which is number of Mars, and his total Bhagyang, which is the talent number, is 6, which represents the number of the planet Venus. And as you know, to become a successful actor, you need, you know, you need to be very passionate, very emotional, and if you see this emotional plane, this grid 675, it is totally filled up. That means that this person will actually be very, very emotional, and it is his emotion, his passion, which makes him extremely romantic. We all know about his much talked about affair with Sangeeta Bijlani, or it was with Katrina Kaif, or earlier it was with Aishwarya Rai. But none of these uh, affairs could conclude in a permanent relationship. And what was the reason for that? Because if you find that these twos which have come, they are constituting negative moon, and negative moon sometimes makes you a slightly pessimist, or the expectation from your partner goes very high, and that does not get concluded. So if the reciprocation from the partner is not high and you have a very high expectation because of a negative moon, which is actually taking your emotions a little down 10, that is not good for a permanent relationship. Also, the number 1, which represents sun, has given him worldwide popularity because of his acting and because of his physique and being a very versatile actor. All his films have been a great hit. So the number 1 sun, which gives fame and prestige, stability, that has undoubtedly given him worldwide recognition, worldwide prestige. He is indeed a very popular actor. But unfortunately, these double twos, which constitute negative moons, did not gel well with him. But if you see his emotional plane of 675, it is his emotion which has helped him, or rather, which he has helped struggling actors, budding actors to come up in their lives. And you will find many people in the city of Mumbai praising him that in what way and very silently Salman Khan has helped these actors. Just to tell you that there are a specific attribute to a particular planet. For example, 3 represents Jupiter, which is knowledge. 1 is Sun, which is your fame and prestige. Likewise, number 5 is your Mercury, which is speech and communication, your intellect. 2 is your negative moon, and that is not very good. 4 is your negative sun, that also is not considered to be very good. Number 6 is your Venus, so all the luxuries of life, good things in life, exotic holidays, film stars, stardom, uh, having your own spa and salon, things to do with jewelry, exotic watches, perfumes are all attributes of Venus. So with this 3 by 3 grid, you can actually put your date of birth in the grid. You don't have to put the 19. So suppose it is 30/11/1972, you have to quit the number 1 and 9 and put the rest of the numbers in this grid, and you can yourself see your characteristic, whether it is actually gelling with your real characteristic, your attribute, your hobbies, and even the objective of your life, or what is the best profession suited for you. So this Ank Jyotish is extremely, I would say, helpful in determining your own path of life, your own journey of life, and you will find that there are certain planes, that is a spiritual plane, physical plane, emotional plane, which are very clearly defined in the mystery of these numbers. So, in case you want me to study your name as per the numerology, or your date of birth, what does your Mulank has it for you, or what your Bhagyank has it for you, and what kind of a person you are, and how to transform that personality, that skill, that hobby, that passion into a profession which will be the best suited for you. You can always contact me at 9742 881188. Believe me, your horoscope, the house in which you stay, the name which travels widely, and the date of birth has a lot of relevance about your past, about your present, and about your future. So, in order to decode certain secrets, or in order to decode certain path of life, the karma alignment, this science really helps. And it is very scientific, there's no myth about it. In case you need any help in decoding such things in your horoscope and through Ang Jyotish, I'll be more than happy to help you. Thank you so much.